In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete project in Supabase. If you've decided a project has served its purpose or you're cleaning up your workspace, removing it from Supabase is straightforward, but it's also permanent. So I'll call out a few important precautions along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to supabase.com. Sign into your dashboard so you can see your list of projects. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions. Only owners or users with sufficient access can remove a project. Before you proceed, remember that deleting a project permanently removes its database, authentication users, storage files, and any functions or configurations attached to it. If you need anything later, export or download it now because there's no undo after the deletion is confirmed. On your dashboard, locate the project you want to remove. Each project card or row has a small three-dot menu, sometimes called the kebab menu, usually near the project name, or in the upper right corner of the project card. Click that menu to reveal project actions. This is where Supabase groups options that affect the entire project, so double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage multiple environments like development, staging, and production. From that menu, choose Delete Project. Supabase will open a confirmation dialog to prevent accidental loss. Read the prompt carefully. You may be asked to type the project name or a confirmation word to proceed, and you might be reminded that all associated data and services will be scheduled for deletion. Take a moment to verify you've exported any needed database tables, downloaded storage assets, and rotated or removed any API keys from your applications so your apps don't keep calling a project that no longer exists. When you confirm, Supabase queues the project for removal. You'll typically see a success message and the project will disappear from your list shortly after. If it doesn't vanish right away, give the page a refresh. Deletion can take a little time in the background, especially for larger datasets, but once it's initiated, it's effectively irreversible. If you can't find the three-dot menu or the delete option is disabled, you likely don't have the necessary role in that workspace, so you'll need an owner or admin to complete the action. That's all there is to it. Go to Supabase, open the three-dot menu on the project you no longer need, and select Delete Project, confirming the action carefully. Thanks for watching and take care to back up before you remove anything critical.